NBC29 forecast.
Here was the scene around 4:30 this afternoon and shortly thereafter as a pulse severe thunderstorm came through Charlottesville and portions of northern Albemarle. Here is the concourse area at the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport. Tony sent that in. You can see the wind blowing the rain, reduced visibilities in a big way with some heavy downpours. And again, that particular storm did take some trees down just south and north of town. Right now, we have an active severe thunderstorm warning for the Culpeper area. It's moved out of Madison in terms of the severe threat. Very heavy rain ongoing, and that continues through Orange and portions of Louisa County. But that is the severe thunderstorm warning for Culpeper along the 522 corridor lifting up into Rappahannock County. And you can still see some of the hail that's being observed here with the hail tracker. That is fairly small, so at least possibly up to a dime or quarter size hail with that particular storm. That warning until 6:30 for Culpeper. Here we are from Green Springs down toward Trevilians along Route 33 as we get into Orange and Louisa County. Some heavier rain here out toward Bird Mill and that just near the Ferncliff area of Louisa County on I-64. Then more lighter rain through much of Albemarle now, much of Augusta and Nelson counties until we go a little farther south. There's some moderate rain here in and around and west of Dillon. So we've got several more hours of rain. Again, we had that isolated pulse severe storm that again on the edge of the activity as it was advancing north this afternoon, and you can see some of the trees down south of town, the Scottsville Road area, and then particularly in the Greenbrier neighborhood of Charlottesville, a tree down onto a home in the Kenwood Lane area. We'll widen out the view, and there's that northern edge of this activity lifting now off to the north, but this is this plume of moisture around an area of low pressure out across the Tennessee River Valley, bringing us the showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Many of us obviously are rain cooled now. We did make it up into the upper 80s at the airport before the rain set in. Temperatures tonight kind of hang out in the mid 60s. There'll be some areas of fog and we'll hold on to at least a few showers overnight. Tomorrow, temperatures in the 70s, remaining humid. Could have a shower just about any time during the day, but it looks like tomorrow night into Wednesday midday is going to be the best chance of rain, and Wednesday will likely be our coolest day. We may struggle to hit 70 for the first day of summer. Rain chances continue right through this week and into next week. Right now, the American GFS model through Friday has at least 2 to maybe 4 inches. European model perhaps as much as 4 to 6. So we'll watch that. This is the area of low pressure out across the Tennessee River Valley, spinning that moisture northbound. At the same time, high pressure to our north and east will keep an easterly flow of wind into the mid-Atlantic, so a very soggy setup. This is tropical storm Brett, and Brett is moving toward the Windward Islands. Right now it's about 1,200 miles east of those islands, but by the end of the week and weekend, yeah, moving in that direction. Right now set to become a hurricane by the middle of the week. So additional rain here tonight, and then tomorrow just about any time during the day we could have some showers around, although the better opportunity looks to be tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and into Wednesday midday. And with that easterly flow of wind, that's really going to hold the temperatures down, and that's where we could be talking about some significant rain, especially on the eastern facing slopes of the Blue Ridge. Temperatures here tonight in the 60s. As we look ahead at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, well, we've been in need of rain. Well, we've got multiple days of showers and thunderstorms. Coverage may vary each day. I think Tuesday night into Wednesday is going to be a wet stretch, and then as we get toward the end of the week and toward the weekend, more in the way of at least scattered showers and thunderstorms, temperatures will warm back up into the 80s.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And if you're worried about getting caught in the rain this week, the Storm Team 29 weather app can help you plan your day around it. If you don't have it, just point your phone's camera right at this QR code on your screen, or you can scan it on our website anytime. With the app, you can stay one step ahead of the rain with access to the radar and hour-by-hour forecasts, all from our trusted team of meteorologists.